Guys, there is one more visual in Power BI which is called ribbon chart. So when we talk about ribbon chart, it is similar to stacked column chart, but with a very big difference. And what is that one big difference? So we will understand it by plotting it. So we will go to the ribbon chart. This is the one. When we click on it, it comes here. Now, if we take date, order date, uh, segment, and sales, for example. So this is the ribbon chart. Okay, so we'll copy it and we will create a stacked column chart as well. Okay, so this is the stack column chart. And what did I just say? That this is a stack column chart, but with one very big difference. So we will understand both. This is a year-wise sales divided into segments, right? This is what it shows. When we click our, put our mouse here, it is giving us the year, segment, and sales. When we move to dark blue, year and sales and that segment, which is representing by dark blue, then orange one. So in this particular year, basically these three colors are showing us three segments. So orange one is home office, dark blue corporate, light blue consumer. So this is stacked column chart. So how ribbon chart is different from us and what is that one big difference? Come to the ribbon chart. Okay. So what is happening? When we keep the cursor here, what additional information it is giving to us? So basically it is giving us consumer sales in 2014. Move to this one where the year has been written first of all, because this one is as same as this bar 2014 2014. Do not look into this gap as of now. So keep the cursor here, order date, segment, and sales as same as this one. Okay, similarly when we move to 2015, same 2015 consumer 2.66, 2015 consumer 2.66. So what is the change? So guys, when we keep our cursor on this gap which has been filled here, and this is the extra thing when we compare it with this chart, when we keep the cursor here, this gives us this additional information. And what is that? So basically it is telling us the change between 2014 and 15, this particular area. Keep the cursor, 2000 consumer sales, 2014 2015 consumer sales, and it is giving us the sales change also from 2014 to 15 in percentage, and rank also. So rank as in among the three segment, what was the rank of this particular segment? So because this is the highest one we had, it is giving it a rank of 1. Move here, it is giving us the sales for corporate, because dark blue is corporate. Then it is giving us the change, then rank. Because corporate was at the second place in this change, it is giving it the rank of 2. Now rank 3. So this is the additional one big change which is between this chart, stacked column chart and ribbon chart. So this is how it differs and gives us so much analysis and so much interesting facts that we do not need to calculate the sales change ourselves. We do not need to look into the rank also. Everything is available in ribbon chart automatically. So whenever you want to have this kind of analysis, this kind of information, instead of this chart, stacked column chart, use ribbon chart. And these kind of examples are going to give you that insight that which kind of visual is fit for which kind of analysis, which kind of data. So whatever I am telling to you, practice these charts, and these are the charts which are going to help you in maximum kind of data. There are very rare charts which are specific for a specific kind of data. These are the charts which can be applied for any kind of data, And this is how I have designed this module, that the charts I have selected would be applicable on all kind of data. So it's going to be very, very helpful for you.